the sparks, there's a parts. Only there's no door, and the hood is more expensive, so we didn't order that. We ordered the fender, the lights, the bumper, everything is selected. So everything's here. Here. Something. I don't know what it is. This one's the fender. Something. Bumper. I think this one's the grill, maybe. I don't know. Unbox some of them. This one's light. This light's fine, it's too hard. Only can find from the dealership. Otherwise you can't find anywhere. It's not thin. It goes on the fender, on the meter, and the door in the middle. Here is bolts, some miscellaneous things. That one, the blue box, it is the horn. This one is bolt something. I think that one, the box one is grill, bumper. So now I take off. I'm gonna take this off. Horn. And this bracket again. I didn't see this bracket and this bracket. Oh god. So I'm gonna take those two out. And then check more stuff here. This bracket and this bracket. This one holds the light, this one holds the fender. So if this was not ordered, you can't do anything. Only change the horn, that's it. So this one takes it. So I put the bracket over here. So now I'm trying to put the fender. If you can see over here, the fender's pin over here. So I can put it back. So I'll wait my friend home and then come, and then we need to decide. And then there's missing parts. I think this one's missing part for the headlight holder. This one's fixed, but I need to have this bracket. This one for the horns fixed. Yeah. So we put the fender in. It's almost lined up, but the hood damaged, so it's not perfect, and the door. So now I'll put the bolts in.
I gave you those spray bottles, right?
down here.
Yeah, because what's the bracket underneath needs to come up. Yeah, the bracket that holds this needs to come up. So you're gonna have to take the light back up, and we're gonna have to pull, not up, out, up.
I know, up. I'm trying that.
You're gonna have to take this off of it, otherwise you'll end up bending this.
Let me take that.
Yeah, this, and this, and then the bracket itself. If it comes up, it should. We can help you with it. Take the light out too.
The light? Let me take it off or?
Just loosen. Okay, put the light on. Let's see what it does. What about this? What is this going to be like here?
I don't know.
Better. Yep. There you go.
Wait. No, no, no.
Yeah, that's a lot better. There you go. Yeah.
It's better.
Yeah. That'll be okay. Yeah, that's a lot better.
Did you order the light for the fog light?
The fog light.
Or no?
For this? It should be in there.
Yes.
It should be in there. It's not.
I don't know.
It should be. They told me the VIN didn't match something rather whatever, so they're gonna give us the matching whatever the hell they decided to give. This isn't in.
And where?
On the bottom. Is that?
Okay, now it's perfect, kind of. Perfect. Here.
Don't you want to stand it?
No.
No.
Bumper clip goes here.
That fits pretty good. That fits pretty good. So we need those lights on the bottom.
She's perfect.
Hello?
Yep, right here. Push it.
No. Good?
Do it, you do it. It's over there.
This?
There's two shady logos. So. Over there. Yep.
This one?
Yeah. Choose this one.
Man, we could have gotten a black one.
But I didn't change the back one.
Yeah.
And then it's more expensive.
Yeah. It's cool. Ooh. Sure we couldn't have found one of these at work for free?
Maybe, maybe not. Depends.
Boom. Look at that, huh?
I see him.
Better be. Yep, good.
This bag goes over here. It is someone goes down here. So first, if you paint it, put it back. Turn it. One other concept. So the car's almost done. The grill over here missing. And the running light and the signal lights. So perfect. So now we have to fix the hood and the door. Then there's a missing part over here. And that's it. Entire. Okay. This missing parts. Put it back over there. That's it.